Sego nyali do. Life be nyali because famu keta near to daming male be nyali because ndani bota nyoga watu mina kabrin graduate in my heart grade 12 kabra bot wala ka diamle bot mang time o soto nyoga ko min nga soto nyali so mala sai life obe ta ke bulu nyali
wala min ko kelim fole ko min ni parta school le wata male ba face le because that's the time ina molbe ni kala ko mi parta school le sai kamale so wata male ba rivete le mire ka be engage la minala in order to raise funds for your own needs yala ne kamin bota school kan nyoka yala nda mba som le sometimes ka tara brika male right now mbita kanne mba IT lecturer so mbolo pursuing that to have diploma in that so yala but yala sometimes kan nyoka yala brika male
you come from the phone near school in Bande ko kole bulle sometimes never school as a student ita kama ko min life as a student it is boring mo jama ko le mira ko min nimbita kan school yalo mo nimba school kan rakka tanga ka yogo karam man dia karam ko le ada le ya understand but yara from on the whole del kadro time no mi soro kan school wo diata
because what time we are mo ka bal fayele ko do ba dom dila yalo
exactly
on ka fe ko min student no la man tara ko but sani tar fe school ban sai yala adi any kam ne kenyi ni kama mune la sai because mule expect la sai right now you should be working or maybe you go to college or maybe university so what time wale ba na komi reality challenge ba habun kan
no eka kumo min fon defon nga so bod le I agree with it because ni aji waro min defon ba school ndeka yalo ndeka bol be yalo it wouldn't be new to them atakele ku ti mi yalo ku kutolo kabe me school dem moldi yalo karama dianye baake not that kafoko malaf karana but ndeka jere ko say some kind of waste of time for me but not a cool call out not a school life is good at least afuta nyawnya ka ko do lonjere mi yalo ko mo lo suwo kono ika fendo lo suwo fana kono e mammi lo school but after school need to graduate from grade 12 like in our country Gambia grade 12 but o ko la lo kana lo life mo be nyali buka mo so do mimba fele hill lonjila mimba fele credit song fele ndi mimba fele tenente ya understand so I could call it ndala experience mo wolti dal ndengole like after the school life is difficult but after the school I think it is very boring especially ni man do wala and the family sort of it be mean like musoni dinga wal man terrible defe aka boring na male tala nyaali fite ko le nyaali
yo muto nyaldi school yala but then at the end school funds are kara like by jamin that this thing so it sila tan coming ka ko ni mbota school te fenkelen to do ko kela nto do ko sotala wala nda karana you have to go to school at least you become a literate it's a reading is important because sign dunia ba nyamin tenting ni buga reading ita dawre batala
definitely yes
so ni asafe hani jan denja ni tara je fa ala yala ni man kara ibira du je fa
exactly
at least you should be able to read or write so la na most of tani ajibe antola nyim fulo le kam jeten most of the times ni ajibe ila family ka engage into business so most of the time ni ajen tola mol mi ko all origin Gambian jam buka engage business wala ba ko nyama tenti so any business is a way la yala ni tan ko mi la family is already established in the business yala no will say expand no and ni ta bore la school maybe grade 9 10 10 yaje mostly ñu fulo ni kata class ke li daha so ita kam will fail tale so wol man fail at the end ke tare ibo mangasin bato mangasin o fare ita be mira kan ina mari bote bo sana nyami la sala din dio ina waya boy ni tele class ke no bari yalen afana la mangasino yalen so ndai be fam bala falle je ma ko mari boto la nyaadi la
definitely to ya
ini mi class true so all na business of is good nyadara mon mi anko mon ka engage business of an kam mon ma ko at least mon se do ko so no opportunity yalan
on kule de mi alon go yalan
it's not easy the to ya kai Gambia kai is not easy but yalan you have to find ways to survive
on to
say you know
ika mi vokan telephone patande like del mi alon go ma engage business o kono dal nga kanaw da mala muta ya understand at the end of the day mo kanaw kanaw fana muta ni so be ya so ake batande le nyaaro because ika jibe le life kata aka evolve from one state to another I understand so ni be kanaw la ifo nga alon go ni is the only way entala mo na baga no man strong bag ni ta ka me so le yo muta bultan na fulo la I understand yes so be ya be kudol fana pesula in life ni karaw man kile sebula no wolfana no because Gambia is Africa we in Africa bro Africa me Gambia le ko kile mutakaje wala be bondi la ikata ku tanne mo mo ganyo you have to be specific if you want to me alongo ila do go be lori wala ila life fana ila tayo wala but Canada woda ma fana nana kudo raba at least in blood will feel the blood over because here is not certain they all I think I understand that.
No, all exactly ka Africa bolnya. The moment you are born in Africa, ite wulu da pure so be ya. Ani fure le ku be wulu je. Because ni fure ja kolyam be ja ina ta fuwo ka amoro kada mota sile jan kada moro deal. Fonni ke do moro ni ke sima ni ke kondon na met mal be baylan. Mal be yutte la bakel. So at least you engage, and nyatra ko min yalan karam fana manke mobile weti. Do bi ja sino jang ya ita for grade 12 aka soro le momi ko ka ji grade 12 abuka reading keno.
Yes, of course.
Abuka spelling keno. Yalan. So it's very sad. Nata ko mi yadi mo sara ige dingo cross ata for grade 7 abuka reading keno, ata for grade 8 abuka reading keno. Na abuka reading keno. Nga so ge sabu wonde je yasamba ya enge mi ba ta do kudo la wala yasamba ya kapindani ke wala fita ya wala kudo. Yal. So mfana ma afala ko mi ma mo discourage pour kanta school.
Yes.
It's very important pour e karam. Yes, harmaliya imaji ala ko wal kuma folo ka wana ta ko kila nyadi ikra.
Yeah, definitely.
Ka nyadi ikra bismi rabbika. So imare to karam afra ina mulaje yo laje. It's very important. Education is still one of the best thing me anko is acquire as a human being, like to seek knowledge. So fana knowledge fana is good. Ni knowledge soto ina ta kodo fana soto because ni no so ina ta kodo soto you know how to use that money. Maybe if you want to invest in the business or something like that, you know soto le yeah the business or run fana yala.
Yeah, what flow nyote so fala yeah.
So wale
it's a good thing because ye blado ma je defo okuo nying yala and I want to reflect my mind on it because you can for go ni dingo be able ya do the school dal if I again you did not send killing full sabay okay like grade 5 level ni mo for at least and cause of reading can all of them grade 6 grade 7
yeah
yo ni dingo jabo level da ya je mo be comme ulul be alon ne ko ike dingo bondi nyoto le nyino ka nyine keno nyino ka nyine keno yalo nyino bete ara nyin karadola so ni aje dingo mam bete awara kana jutu asamba mechola comme ndella nyin fata findu banko kan Africa lor rek ani safo Gambia but Africa in general mo ka jutu mechitiol but dunia mechitiol nyonte mechitiol because muno karamo fonde karamo wolo ye fengo long ika fengo dadano out of it understand so ni momi yalo ngol true among basic education sort of understand but ata fenda dano like carpentry welding fendo wolo multi nyanda mi fo over embrace la because what ka fengo le dano mi ala be na ludum balu wala kon wala fo mu londo imam fensa feno understand angale counter bang arabic counter or any language but ika fengo dano out of your own natural skills o kule ni yalo go definitely abeti araba anu nyanda ka ko ni sembo warandi jam bagene ni la fa na bango da yaro ani la funding kaka useless engage though we are not useless as youths understand but we move ni yalo ko ndefi aba mun ma ko la bagle nga engage manyo ma ko ko sifa la mi yalo ko beti ala kanda ma kana ke karawti abcd da ma kana ke kuti mimbe
wala
ko do na ninka
ko wala ko mi ya ndo fa kamul grade 9 ko 8 wala mula mo kara ka fa amiba duro amiba yes that amiba ndo duro after the end it have grade grade 12 wala grade 9 ya fa ko ya choose ba so duro man kana at least ya ngambia ya confusion ko na education one specific at least nyata mun karana system woni ya falim boy ka yini yemi ka bidin mol mi an ko yalla ne past 2000 e bukili on karane ba fa ko hippopotamus mala wobu ko nyaade hippopotamus ni fango mo kili
abu
malfala ni abu kamala fa na kamala fa ndala haja wo imaje malo fo na fa so
definitely you are right
so mol man sola wala education system ya fali mol so be ande ku karamiyan ko mol bina fanna fa ye cheni so ni aje be dunya be dan ba develop la because yalon ke dindingo le ke karande fe on yaji ko mete beti ata nyina school be jemi an ko specific ye dala pour sport la nyata ko mi yedi wonde ko mate is good in sport in some day zero sambaje nyata ko mi yaji la nyin ate nyin machine ko la kadi yalim fenkol asabo school do mi an ko yalen ne asa nyin skill sol karando yalen o sama isinaje e fonda da mon ne yaji ni yaji african dol fo badala jam aka tarajana be ka bojanne de
definitely
be ka bojanne bar bu kada da no jam sajan so tubawol mun kana jam mon ne la jam fenke ya tani ata ya samba ya daje na wa fin doliya ko di bala baje ka di fenkol babulu cyber throw ko la babul fenkol machine ni fenkol ni ela ni fen parcel ni raw material most of the times be bora africa la jam so especially aje nyim banko sa Burkina Faso ma ya say the moment necessarily be fan sort of president on yala development kan mi ko
he's doing fantastic.
Yes, ala banko la fon resource so la be keep if on ya develop fon le e bi da kan nyaado so ko tuwa wol defo sifa ni o sifa je so kala kana bi ya kama na e mo la mol mindset to change after ina mol dundi ñoo kon tel mo fi ngata kala ka ñola ba ñoo fenkela ma ñoo fa
and Gambia so
bina sunya
Gambia sakin like to take an example from Ibrahim Traore.
Yes.
Burkina Faso la president I Molongade is a human being, you know, with his natural instincts, you understand. Kusi falken okay, it's so just basic. Kuf dandan a lot from min bete ada ani min be mol la fal. Min te mol la fal yo pag min be mol la fal yo okay no. On go ta nya to blind the at least good living here so no.
Well, but yalla tolfana na mo dol bije especially yalla dol ko tara nyaatan ka yalla but sometimes people become selfish.
Yeah, definitely.
Especially in a community, you see like you getting money, but you don't care people they are working under you. So also for can, at least it will job can net lot me uncle Masakunda. It you have access, to do certain things. Come corruption si fault and you could so many BJ all BJ ba kuru kanje all buka fensor. You don't care about more BJ. Don't quit your sort of any bunny money in Garasimu.
Guy jisma de gati ban pede ka lari black ni be boss ba ale be jisma min na
anduri afola ebe mineta city duto akamanya duto e jole kono fo kasi do
yeah it's kind of crazy mol ko mira party de but what the party
won dem party ti moro
aduna be ko mol min faga ko lo mi dale ko mara ba but na korosiro lately sa fo amanke lately for the meta domandi ngeje ka fitness ko nyingi tandi bage fe tade YouTube channel o yela la ka fitness like training and gym milalo ntefe ku kende balde isa fo nyeno yo kumas no nyari ani mune inspire I understand ka do ku si faldo funding ke like you
no I mean fitness here is it should be part of it should be part of everyone's life like because fitness abe help in so many ways to boost your health mentality and in it helps you in a lot of things like so nte dunta fitness kono because yalla nga fitness yalla wata mo ka men school ka football ke dune
yes I remember those days you are right
school je wata mo but then yalla village so yalla so like one day I was scrolling through my phone nga mo yalla ka training balo go bet yaren so so from there I get inspirations but then I started from Brikama what I mean about saying Brikama yalla je gymol be you pay and train. So the moment I move from some got a village or in some, I cannot get my access to the gym because I am village or gym on got so I own phone call that na break so and campaign so side in train. I've been training for 1.5 years now. So now YouTube telecom is in a way that I can show out to the other part of the world that you can do anything possible. So most of the time na video from my viewers are not mainly from Gambia. So na viewer na analytics most of the viewers is from US and Asia countries. So ngamol jami anko comments about so many optimistic comments coming they keep supporting me and I'm growing. Right now I have almost like 4,800 subscribers and I'm growing. So I'm trying to make more content. So I love it. So even though I video post daily because I love like not a family man of sending YouTube video and post that post.
It's a good inspiration for me personally, but niajibe jamu banko di milialon ko internet roman sembo so don la jambati. Though it's growing now abitaka ne domanda but niajibe from the global perspective it is way behind So it kabika dun internet ro kono ngalo ni bo ko understand na je kaje we cannot understand me along go in a country among popular daming jamol buka engage into those kind of things back so ye mun kole akule expect nyandika dunga kono ani fana ye mun kole akule soto kadri dum ta kono
Very good question like one of the things I'm mention right now coming internet Gambia internet was very slow especially in the daming village old katraje so pour nga video make from ka upload from imagine 10-minute video go upload in the YouTube sometimes a day or sometimes twice
a day
or day yeah so coming I depend on connection on nyanya ning start up ka upload so ala internet phone batla no kasi without using the phone so ni bota YouTube je video ka tara load kan je ina je tara load kan so I have to use other apps so ni na tana phone sa bula nga tara phone je so ni nga bula coming amangi coming a day specially bandi coming nga bula fa coming ni nga phone yu pura upload a phone je akay data sometimes 2 days but ni nga bula coming nga bula phone je tara connection bita nga bula je sometimes it takes me hours. So more for coming yalan people have different experience. Especially in the village or yalan. You can also know I don't have 4G there, 3G calls. So that's the biggest challenge I have. And also like growing here like also fitness. I'm more my interest back fitness school. Yeah, so many people me and upload TikTok and they don't follow you. They are not interested. Ma for more bugat in Gambia. Don't take me wrong, but more they are not involved into these fitness things and training. Like you going to the gym, sometimes more cage is a waste of time, but I'm not a waste of time. Do you invest in your body, So
yeah, mean for the woman call So what about like ila family kabrika dunga kono ila family support ketanya di ko ina moli aje nyadi ko min haruna felending abedunga YouTube ko kono like even if I'm tandikan dunia like ko min kan ye ko min kanu kake ila moli te fama la moli la family member la ila friends wala ye ko ni moli aje nyadi le ite la karola ani mfana ite fama you fama personally psychologically ye ko ni miro ni ye soto nyadi ani mfana when you are going through it ikamu mira si falle soto dal because struggle ni soto along the way you will overcome no nyadi de ani la family member kema ko e pour katna ye katela ye ma ko along the way.
No, until a family, problem. My family, they are really open. Like in the anything me and I love it. Especially me and I'm often sort of about religion or other things. They are good with it. So especially the fitness is already part of me, and they have been supportive. In every aspect of it. So especially in abroad, sometimes they get me, one equipment. I remember I'm on pull the tricep workout or stuff like that. They are really good. They are really good. Can say not where, So I've been grateful, in the world. So, but I keep going on. I keep going on. So especially like I keep believing. I keep posting. I'm trying to build a very strong community. I can YouTube fan can more play. Yes. So I'm getting. I want to get more views. Because recently the channel is monetized. So I need to keep posting more videos. To get more revenue from it.
So what about your personal trauma emotional like
no I don't have any
fantasy maybe I walked again maybe the colleague was but let me go I have to make it let me kati fan push kan ana tra molbe ko manya but personally fan ke fan push you can onya di the free for at least minti loto
come in the time ko mentality ko mental ko training gym yalla ita fon ka sum da ka funya fede gym mo do so
yes sometimes boy fede gym mo da do rol di boy
fede I'm kind of obsessed with it so yalla especially challenge fana kam fun so ta jang kambe jam fana yalla man challenge do ni ta go for is like getting what you need yalla going to the gym also like is very important in nutrition e mo do wala ka understand especially in the gym moto I have to eat certain amount of protein consistently for like after gym so you have to do that always because like to build muscles you have to eat well so that's my biggest challenge and also like getting a protein shake and all of the creatine nutriment is very expensive especially equal important in Gambia so nimol ka sell jang it becomes more expensive
febo ka soto Gambia
e ka soto le bari ka expensive because the yala ka important jang mun kana wa fi kana resell so they add profit so ka gonna sharing deal and especially in a country like Gambia dalo nyadi like 6,000 or 6,500 ka protein o samia ko 2 kilo 2 point something kilo ala o kay ni ta
o mani bodo jelle son
mani bodo ma
6,000 to man bodo 2,000
something jada ko mite mu mi ko mo ko do so jale to you cannot do that wala especially ka mo tara jimo tara je 5 years aba jimo to abu ka wara abanya so ni si fancy falle
no you can photo wala nde lumine nene sama jimo to mala fe ari bagi na de ndanyanda mimbi chikala kile karola ko mo be chikala tilike boy ni dara ko la joko ko de ko de sino chikala kata ko la joko do boy na in bulo fo buga solo no bo wala mo le ni ga fo mo ne kedam ko no mbalo be re gandi no warra bi kedan da no very well
wala sugulu re bita je be bulo ke go yo abana ye ka fan dangerous
Ukelembala, you know. So okay, so channel kola, you know, ibe mu kudo dole pasuka live kono live. Foninke muiti, you know. Fe kara kudo fana no mabadu kono miliana disabe ma ko sini sama, you know.
Yeah, come here, buka think I train from the fitness side, but I'm get right now. I'm graduate from high school, so right now I'm IT like information technology. So I'm afford other courses as well. So more, so because Yalen is a good area right now. Life, is all about technology and AI. So if you have sort of ideas about this, how to operate the system only, it will become accessible for you anywhere you go, like to get a job or something like that. Yeah, so it's a good area. I would recommend it to
Yeah, kule ni ala kumara. Karaone ne boga fu, you know.
Yeah, londo nga seek, kana seek for coming. Yinkenta yinkela no. Yala ne imalo mun kana just karan rek.
So sign la fe nyini kala mun na komi ite be internet ko na ka video upload YouTube le ka kujamal ka video upload TikTok le and the other social media accounts. So momi yala ngo ye media do ko wala la do ko like ka video upload you are a YouTuber or TikTok alde. Ite fe mari la engagement in the media nyanda kala nyaadi le. Nyanda tara media kono nyaadi le.
No, ka ile engagement media kono depende tella. Because later it'll revenue come based on the life is all from creating content. What it will be different with somebody you post content and your pages are not monetized and you could also engage maybe in other works to get money and while doing your content. So engagement will be different because nyata community you doing this for your life as a career. So all engagement we can because the more you post videos and you get more views, you get paid with those views. So especially Gambia limited in so many things, like especially near Gambia is not a monetized country on YouTube, on TikTok. So maybe you look at a live stream or something like that, but you don't get paid based on your on the video like you're posting. Like to get paid on TikTok, a video has to be 1 minute, and you have to be in a country that is monetized, and you have to get like 10,000 followers, I think, on Instagram. But like on YouTube, to monetize your YouTube channel, you have to get 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours within a specific year, like within a year to get your 4,000 watch hours. Then you can monetize your page. But then to monetize here in Gambia, maybe you have to change your location. But like maybe they can't understand. For people that me and go, they are already monetizing Gambia. I don't understand, what I'm trying to say here. But like I would say, like this is a really good, this is a really good initiation that it ever engage as a youth, on the media. So this is a really a way to go. So yeah, because like there will be so many opportunities in the future if you keep it consistently and you being real on it. Okay. So for sure you get your page monetized and you will make a living out of it.
Yeah, it's
so
cool.
Thank
it's
you.
A good thing. It's a good thing. So you never advise me to kaje ko ndefana mo design nga YouTube channel o yele na TikTok o yele Facebook o bembulu. So I want to start a podcast ko mbe nate. Lafta kala fe de mi ala ko mbake la na career So it made internet o kono ndeti back we over senior so many things mi ala ndemo for the whole ingore ko the whole So even mun kuma level and based on the life experience it will sort of along the way internet open like the more engage with my contents more kala nyari be bela wala nyari and the more kala internet open mi ala sini sama wal fana bad nan nga even bigger level mi war na nyenti ite mo advice da di la as mo ko do mi internet do go start
Yeah, one thing about coming from I'm not really like a big one like coming in content creation like coming there I'm just just mange big deal but I've been experience already from where coming nga better long man fellow don't know long but I'm willing to share that with you. So one important thing is very important is like consistency. That's very important. And secondly, you have to get criticism, more be criticized for so.
Like
is a waste of time. They will comment things like that. So what is really important for you, just be optimistic and can you reply with nonsense. There are so many people me and internet account, they are very negative.
Yeah.
They will never say something me and is positive. Always negative. And then sometimes you account will if you get a profile they become, like a spy and they try to, to dim you out. So but like especially I never come in video post night training, then you see some people comment nonsense. But come in this, is part of it. So maybe advice will see for like be consistent and don't get engaged with people who are very negative on the media. And for the important you keep going on and don't listen to anybody trying to pull you down.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it, bro.
Yeah,
Thank you.
I'm a guy, man.
Yeah, you're my brother since day one.